Thomas and Percy arrived at the airport building site. They were bringing bricks and timber to the builders. Think of all the vacationers, chuffed Thomas. And of all the airplanes, puffed Percy. But then, Harry and Bert arrived.
Sticky Stevie's in the way again,
Mumbled Harry.
Why do we have to work near them?
Grumbled Bert. This made Thomas and Percy cross. They didn't want to work near the Diesels either. The Diesels were oily, and they were very different than the Steamies. Can you see what is different about steam engines and diesel engines? Thomas is a steam engine. He runs on coal. Now here are Harry and Bert. Do they run on coal? No. They run on diesel fuel. Not like steam engines at all. When Thomas stops, he wishes steam. Do Harry and Bert wish steam? No. Diesels don't make steam. But sometimes they make nasty black smoke. Did you hear that? That's Thomas's whistle. All steam engines have whistles. But what was that noise? It was Harry and Bert honking their horns. Diesel engines don't have whistles. They have horns instead. Steam engines and diesel engines really are very different.